human resources are tight right now, so like that's kind of hard. Like it's probably gonna take a bit of time. But
how many full-time
that would be
employees?
a passion. That would be a passion. Full time. 1, 2, 3. It's probably about 5 full timers, and then there's a bunch of.
It's incredible revenues probably for the amount of.
Yeah. And there's a bunch of like remote customer service reps and stuff like that. So it's actually funny. Like my business partner does all the operations of the business. So like he manages like our warehouse staff, our customer service teams, everything. He deals with all the suppliers at this point. And I literally just build funnels and try and get like traffic in. Yeah. So like he'll be hiring and mixing people around. I don't even know their names at this point. Like some of them, like
nice.
I don't even know who they are.
And that's a good lesson too about just sort of like splitting your focus into what you're good at and just having a partner you trust, obviously.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, well, we've been.
Is this the same partner?
This is the same partner. So we went to high school together, and then we started our first like TV installation business together, and like it's been that journey the whole time.
Nice.
So like normally I would say like don't have a business partner.
Yeah.
In the sense that like a lot of business partnerships fail, and usually a lot of like this is the whole thing. But in this particular case, like we're always on the same wavelength. We have the same goals, outcomes, and like he's like super smart. He's like 10 times smarter than I am. I'm just a hustler. Like I just don't give up. But he's like super smart and switched on. So we have our like advantages,
Yeah.
But separating things are like super key. With the Instagram business, we're doing the same thing most of the time. We'll just do the same thing but like double the output, which is like the dumbest thing ever. And the worst thing about that as well is like you have to separate operations from business development, because whoever's doing business development, and if they're also doing operations, the more like work they bring in, the harder their job gets. Yeah. Right? So like this isn't just for stuff. This is for yourself, like a psychological thing. Like back in the day, like when I first started the tea business, like I was the one fulfilling the orders. Yeah. So like every time we'd scale up, it's like shit.
There goes my week.
Work to do. Yeah. And like, which is good because it's exciting, but at the same time, like it's a barrier, like it holds you back. And then when we outsourced that, it was like full force, like I want to get as many as we can. Yeah. Like I don't even care. Like
yourself.
I'm not even touching it anymore. You know what I mean? Like, so yeah, it's that operations and business development definitely needs to be separated, even if it's just you yourself.
Nice. Yeah. So I think we've actually, is there any, we've gone long. This is, usually we do about 40 minutes or over an hour, but in person, time just flies. Were there any other